Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So as you can see behind me, we got our first real snow of the season. So quick update, we've made a lot of really good progress. We actually finished putting on and taping up the roof all except for one part of the peak. We have to get a couple more boards. So temporarily it's covered. So we're keeping all the snow out, at least from the roof, which is great because that's where most of our moisture was getting in. So having that all taped up and weather tight is really great, even though part of it's temporary until we get just a couple more sheets of roof sheathing. But we are working on today finishing up the last section of the exterior sheathing. So we just have a little bit, one corner of the house to finish up of wall sheathing, and then we'll have all of the sheathing done, and we'll be good to go for most weather. We don't have the windows and doors in, so we can still get moisture driven in with the wind, but it's going to be pretty minimal at least. So we can do things to mitigate that. So it's pretty exciting that we are almost done with the roof and the wall sheathing. And we're getting really close to being dried in for the winter. So thankfully we don't have that much more to do, but we're almost there. So unfortunately we didn't beat the snow, but it should mostly melt off throughout the day today because it won't be too cold all day. But it's a little chilly here in the shade, and definitely feels like winter already. Okay, so as you can see here, we have most of the wall sheathing done. We just have this portion right here and a little bit around the corner as well. A part of that side still needs sheathing, but the roof is on. We still have to cut off some end pieces that are sticking over the overhang, but that's not a big deal because it's on, it's taped, it's keeping the moisture out. But as you can see, so we have this piece of wood that goes across here. We still have to put it in on this section. That is the ledger that we will be nailing the patio roof to. So it'll start there and it'll slope down and out to cover the outdoor patio that will be on this side of the house. So we still have to put that on this section, but we're trying to go as fast as we can to at least get the wall sheathing on so that we're keeping most of the moisture out. So, yesterday evening we were working on these and we just missed this corner and this little piece here. The snow was coming down too hard, and it was starting to get slippery on our DIY elevator platform here. So that's why we had to leave those sections undone, but we'll be working on getting these done here soon. So that's our goal today, is to finish up the wall sheathing around the house so that we've got most everything covered and can start working on getting things dried in for the winter.